Alright, this is my throttle for my fishing torpedo. I actually decided to go with a servo, and I hook up servo, RC servo with 500 kilo ohm potentiometer. So I use a couple gears here just to multiply the throw. So it works good so far. I'm gonna test now. So it's my transmitter. Everything is connected already. Yeah, it started turning. So now it's a full throttle, and as soon as I go down, so I go slow, slow, slow. Now it rotates very slow. Everything is okay. So that's the rudder that I have, rudder control. And this is my locking mechanism that works like this. Okay, so that's the locking mechanism. And the rudder. Finally, I just managed to finish all these pieces. And the throttle actually was the difficult one to manage this. It was quite difficult to do. So, but now it's okay. It's good. So now it's a full throttle again, and slow. You just make it slow and slow and slow. Yeah, you go slow. That's almost, you can see how it turns. But this is normal. It's not going to be used with a full throttle. It's going to be with a medium kind of throttle. Most probably like this. So that's going to be more than enough speed for him to go. Let's see. Everything is done. And again, this is my locking mechanism that I have. So now I just need to assemble, because I disassembled the whole thing a couple times. And so now I can see kind of like the end of this. Finally, I did that throttle stuff. It works good. So I have 11.6 volts. And I need to charge the battery. So this is my receiver box here. Yeah, it's going to be closed sealed with rubber, and yeah, it's actually located on the antenna. So far so good. Yeah, I go like this slow, very slow. Now you see how it turns. And I can completely shut down like this. So that's it, folks, done. And I need just to put this inside of the box to get a box for this piece here, sealed box, you know, and put it inside of the torpedo. Alrighty, one more step.